Hello friends, this is John from WorkSpace Metal Solutions. I am here for an introduction to a solution which will change the way people enter various places. Let's take an example of an office. Till the last year, that is 2019, people used to collaborate freely at their workplace. They can gather around wherever it's possible. They can do meetings, handshakes and other gestures freely. But at the end of 2019, there came a worldwide threat which stopped all these activities, a very deadly virus. We need to learn new habits as this threat will be present with us for the coming years. And for that, inside every office, wearing masks, wearing hand gloves and keeping a social distance of at least 1.5 meters always is compulsory. Entering the office after checking the body temperature, use of hand sanitizers and sterilizing own belongings will be necessary. But as we all know, checking only the temperature is not enough. We developed a kiosk which will be very helpful in entry systems of various offices. It will also stop spreading the disease and maintain the necessities. The system works under 6 steps and it's a process of less than 30 seconds for a single user. This system is integrated with temperature sensing along with the cameras for face recognition. It will also check the body oxygen levels, contains a UVC cleaning system and an automatic hand sanitizer. Let's take an example how the system works. The user enters and scans her face inside the camera. Her body temperature will be displayed and if it's normal, a green indicator will flash. If she is carrying bags or any other belongings, she will wave over the ultraviolet light box. The door opens and she will enter the items inside for sterilization. The next step is to verify the blood oxygen level. She will place her finger over the oximeter sensor. Her oxygen level will be displayed and if it's normal, a green indicator will flash again. As we have made this kiosk a fully touchless system, this oximeter will be automatically sterilized with the UVC light till the next user arrives. She will then place her hands inside the sanitizer dispenser and sanitize them. Exact 3 milliliters liquid will be dispensed from the dispenser. The door of the ultraviolet light box will automatically open and she will take the belongings as they are now sterilized. Now it's all done and she can move inside her office. If anyone comes with the abnormal body temperature, the kiosk will identify and will flash red. He has to then step aside for investigation. This kiosk can be integrated with the office's attendance system. User attendance will be generated either through their face recognition or their RFID employee cards. The system is designed in such a way that it can be integrated with any access control like entry turnstiles or door locks. Report of all the employees is generated and maintained daily with all the parameters recorded. We can also provide you an software API which will be integrated with your customized attendance system. If a visitor wants to enter the office, the solution is available in 2 options for the visitor enrollment. First option is enrollment through the reception area. The visitor will scan her face and the system knows that she is the first-time user. She will complete the full process and if all the parameters are normal she will get a print of the receipt with the details on it. She will then proceed along with her ID card towards the reception area for further enrollment. Second option will be enrollment through a QR code. The visitor has to scan a displayed QR code and enter her details through her mobile device. Once entered, the system will save the details in the database and will recognize her when she comes next time. She can also take a printout of her vital parameters from an integrated printer. This kiosk can be installed at multiple locations as offices, airports and railway stations, schools and universities, restaurants and cafeterias, amusement parks and many other places where people gather in large numbers. We have developed this UVC cleaning system jointly with the IIT team. This product is already tested against various quality and reliability standards and the certificates are available on request. This product comes with a 1-year standard warranty. After the warranty expires there will be a 2 years comprehensive AMC support. We also have a vast service network and 24/7 after-sales services will be provided in more than 200 cities in India within a day.